Hey guys, I'm Anchal Oberoi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm at the famous Hill Road today and I can't wait to shop. So come on, let's get started with this, and if you like the video then don't forget to press the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. So come on, let's get started. So guys, welcome to Hill Road. This is the first stall that I went to and it was the 100 rupees stall. It had some amazing shirts and tops and all of them were for flat 100 rupees. It was right outside the Dolce Vita store and the material of these shirts was really very nice and some of them were really nice and party wear. So yes guys, since it's 100 rupees, don't think that they're used or second hand. Actually they're all export surplus and also some of them can be export rejects, so you have to be a little careful while buying them. I saw some beautiful slippers and all of them were between 200 to 300 rupees. Spotted some bags as well. I will not say that it's the best quality bags that you get here, but you can give it a shot. Spotted some 100 rupees pants and some really pretty kurtis and kurti sets, all priced between 500 to 900 rupees. Saw some really nice quality beautiful chappals and slippers, all priced between 200 to 350 rupees, and there was a great variety available in them. In the Enrich Salon lane, I spotted these really nice tops, t-shirts, crop tops, shirts, all priced between 200 to 400 rupees. Spotted these really pretty dresses in nice pastel colors between 400 to 600 rupees. Saw this nice Zara shirt and also these nice graphic shirts which were available between 500 to 600 rupees. In the same lane, I saw these beautiful kurtis and kurti sets, all priced between 600 to 1500 rupees, and there was a great variety ranging from your casual wear to your formal wear to your party wear kurtis as well. And all of them were of great quality and they were available in nice sets like your kurti shararas, kurti gararas and kurti pants as well. There were beautiful colors available in them. Spotted these cool furry jackets and there were a lot of these shirts, tops, t-shirts, dresses and pants here too, and they're all available at very affordable rates and they're all of really good quality. Right next to the Enrich Salon, you get these really cool jeans and dungarees, and I spotted some really nice spaghetti dresses as well. In this shop, all tops are for flat 100 rupees and you get denim jackets and dresses here as well, and all the dresses are between 300 to 500 rupees. There are a variety of tops available here, right from your sleeveless to your spaghettis to your full sleeves and your half sleeves as well. So you have a combination of casual wear to party wear here. So guys, a lot of you ask me where do you get nice kurtis and Indian wear at Hill Road. So yes, this is the answer. You get beautiful kurtis and kurti sets here which are just perfect for your casual wear, for your office wear, for your regular everyday wear, and they're all priced between 500 to 1500 rupees. And guys, the best thing is that most of them are pure cotton, so you don't feel hot in them at all and they're just perfect for this summer weather. So you have a lot of these vendors sitting with all these dresses which are between 300 to 350 rupees, and a lot of these stalls where you get nice t-shirts between 150 to 200 rupees and a lot of these denim shorts as well. So guys, right opposite the Elko Arcade is a shop where you get nice kurtis ranging from your casual wear to your party wear kurtis as well, and they're all available between 600 to 2000 rupees, and you get nice Lucknowi kurtis here as well. So in the lane opposite Elko Arcade, you get these nice shirts, dresses, jeans, jackets, shorts at very reasonable rates. You also get nice footwear like your kitten heels, your chappals, slippers, sneakers, and all of them are priced between 300 to 900 rupees. Also, this guy is sitting with these dresses and all these dresses are at flat 350 rupees and there is lots of variety in them, and he also has some nice shirts and crop tops here, all priced between 200 to 350 rupees. So you can get some really trendy and cool sunglasses and glasses in this market. Again, lot of these vendors with dresses and night suits, and all the night suits are priced between 150 to 250 rupees. Lot of junk jewelry is available in the market like your earrings, bracelets, chains, and all of them are priced between 50 to 200 rupees. Again guys, this is a full-on bargaining market, so you can actually get great deals here if you are a good bargainer. Spotted some nice shrugs the short ones and the long ones as well. And again, this lane has a lot of footwear shops, and I spotted a lot of these vendors again standing with all these tops priced between 200 to 250 rupees. Guys, thank you so much for showering so much love for my previous videos. Just a subtle reminder that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do, please go right now and do it, because it really motivates me to make some great videos for you guys in the future as well. Also, please do comment your good thoughts, because it's really very motivating to read your messages, and also let me know what you want to see in future, what kind of videos you want me to make. And yes, moving forward, this lane opposite Marks and Spencer also has a really cool collection. So guys, the first shop that I went to in this lane had some really cool dresses, and all of them were priced between 500 to 600 rupees. And these beautiful tops, they were really nice and vibrant colors, and some subtle and beautiful pastel colors as well, and these really nice dresses. And all the tops were priced between 200 to 500 rupees, and all the dresses were priced between 300 to 800 rupees, and there was a great variety available in them and some really nice vibrant colors. Found this skirt really very cool, and there were these nice summerish dresses available in this shop. There were a lot of nice tops, spaghetti tops, full sleeves tops, these nice retro 1960s kind of tops, and all of them were available between 200 to 400 rupees. I spotted some nice shrugs in this shop as well. There were some really cool and trendy dresses available here, and these nice shirt dresses and beautiful shirts available in pure cotton, and all of them were priced between 300 to 500 rupees. These really nice crop tops, these 1960 kind of retro tops, and a lot of these bags were available. And again, as you can see, these nice dresses which were good for your casual wear, party wear and formal wear as well. So this lane also has a lot of footwear shops, and again, these beautiful dresses right from your sleeveless to your spaghetti to your half sleeves, as well as your full sleeve t-shirts. And all of them have these 200 rupees racks where you get these nice cool trendy t-shirts. So guys, not only on the streets but also the shops are quite reasonable, and you get a nice variety in these shops, and all of them are quite reasonable. I really like the dresses here. All of them were really very cool and had nice flowery prints which were just so nice and vibrant for this summer weather. I spotted these really cool crop tops which were available in nice colors and nice fits. Again guys, in my previous videos, a lot of you all asked me where you can get nice sweatshirts or full sleeve t-shirts from. So yes, most of these shops had a nice collection of full sleeve t-shirts and sweatshirts and jackets as well. Again, saw these nice kaftan kind of tops and a lot of these loose bell bottom kind of jeans which are really in fashion nowadays, and all of them are only priced between 500 to 700 rupees, and they're available in nice colors and sizes as well. So again, lot of footwear, your nice kitten heels, party heels, slippers, chappals and sport shoes as well. Saw some really nice casual tops, party tops, t-shirts, dresses, and especially these bohemian kind of tops and dresses that I saw here were something that I really liked, and all of them were priced between 500 to 1500 rupees, and there was a great variety. There were some nice formal wear dresses, formal wear pants, some party wear dresses and some cool gypsy tops and dresses all available here. Also guys, do let me know if you want me to do a haul on my Hill Road shopping. So guys, this is the first time after lockdown that I've seen all these vendors, on the streets with these 100 rupees stalls, because after the lockdown they were not really allowed, and I was so happy to see them because they have some really cool stuff. They had some really nice shirts for rupees 100. Again, these shops right opposite the Union Bank of India had all these jeans at flat 500 rupees, and lot of nice dresses and tops, and these beautiful combos, like you can see the skirt and spaghetti top combo, which were really very nice. Again, I saw these really nice party shimmery dresses here, and lot of crop tops, shimmery party wear tops and spaghetti tops as well. There were nice bustiers, some nice short skirts and some nice party wear tops in this shop. All these shops opposite Union Bank of India had a really cool collection. They had some really trendy clothes, right from your t-shirts to your shirts to your dresses, pants, and all of them had these racks of rupees 200 where you would get some really cool t-shirts. There is something for everyone in this market. So if you're somebody who doesn't wear the tube tops and the spaghetti tops, then you have a variety of half sleeves and full sleeves t-shirts, dresses, sweatshirts. And the best thing is that most of these shops have a nice collection of jeans. Like, these kind of jeans were flooded in the market, and they were really very reasonable and of very good quality. And there were some nice dungarees and shorts here too. Again, this shop also had a nice collection of dresses, and they were good for your casual wear and just perfect for this weather because they were all pure cotton. Again, the 200 rupees t-shirt rack, and this shop had a very cool collection. Like, I really like these tops which were nice vibrant colors, and these puff sleeves, these retro tops, these sleeveless tops, these balloon tops, shrugs. There was a variety of tops available in this shop, and they were really very trendy and nice. Also, not only your tops, but you have a great collection of kaftans here. There were nice shrugs, and there were nice jackets available in a lot of colors. And the shop is also very reasonable, so you will get very good deals here. And also the collection is very different, and a lot of party wear dresses were available here. They were nice and subtle and just perfect for a night out, and all of them were priced between 1000 to 2000 rupees. There was a nice collection of crop tops here too, and there were some nice spaghetti tops, crop tops, full sleeves tops, and your t-shirts and shirts as well. Again, like you can see, some nice party wear t-shirts and gowns were available here too. So all the shops in this lane have some really cool and trendy collections. Like, there were a lot of these tie and dye t-shirts, and a lot of your spaghetti tops, your party wear tops, your dresses, jeans, everything available at very reasonable rates. And the best thing is that there's something for everyone here. So you will have a variety of these tops and t-shirts, so you can get stuff for your casual wear, your party wear, your formal wear, your everyday wear, and they're available in a variety of fabrics, so you can actually buy whatever suits you. So yes guys, the market has a great collection right now, so it's definitely a must visit. And yes, with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, liked it, and found it useful. And if you did, then don't forget to press the like button, and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and keep on showering all the love. And do write down in the comment section what you liked about the video and what you would like to see in the future. So see you guys very soon with something very exciting. Bye bye.